Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report spam comments on TikTok Lives. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's proceed with our tutorial. So now we want to simply go to our TikTok app and then check for any lives so we'll be able to show you how you can start reporting TikTok comments. So here, let's wait for the live to be loaded, and then we will want to go to the comment section. And here we are inside the live, and from here we will find these comment section in all these comments. So here you will need to simply tap on a specific comment, for example, this comment here. And as you can see, by holding click on this comment, you will have these options, either copy to send it to someone, translate it, reply, etc. But we are interested in the reporting. By clicking on report, you will have um, another pop-up menu or a menu that will be showing that will ask you for the reason of the report. And now, after having this report comment option or pop-up menu, you will need just to simply choose the reason, and either you can have hate speech or illegal activity or anything. So you can have in harassment or option, you can also have another submenu, and from here you will choose why it is kind of harassment because spam is should be considered as a harassment. So you can choose any reason, or you can simply go and you can choose any type of report for these comments, and after that you will need to simply submit your own report. So after choosing any type, you click on submit and you will have your comment that has been reported successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.